Hola, y'all. Let me show you how to import or add an image into a frame on your Canva document or presentation. Okay, so we are starting with a blank presentation, blank document, blank social media post, whatever it is that you are creating, infographic, brochure, and we are going to insert a frame first. So to come over here, go to Elements, and Elements will come up, and you can see shapes, graphics, polls, generate all these things. Scroll down to where you see frames and grids. Now you can go straight to frames here, and it will just show you these frames. But the reason I like to go this way to all, well, I take the word frame out of there, because you can see there are frames and then there are frames that are as grids, and I want to show you both. So I'm going to go to see all, and these are just basic shapes, films, devices. You can see that there's all kinds of cool shapes and designs that you can use, and this is going to make your image be in that shape. So I like this one. Let's click on that, and I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger so we can see it better. And again, there we go. It's in the middle. So now I have my frame, and what I'm going to do is put a picture inside of that frame, and it will be exactly that shape, and it cuts out the extra stuff. So I'm going to go back to Elements, and you can do it to any of the pictures that you have. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. Anything that you have uploaded before, but I'm just going to choose one that's already in Canva. So I am going to go down to, if I can find it. I don't know why I can't find it. I just need photos. Oh, because I didn't look like photos. All right, see photos. And here are some photos of the ones I used earlier on something. So if I just single click on this, we've done this before. If I single click, it's just going to put it right in there. So if you happen to single click it and it puts it on there, don't worry. What you're going to do is just push down your mouse or your trackpad, click on it, and then move it, and it just pops right in there, just like magic. So that is how you will put the image inside of the frame. Say we're looking at this one and we decide we didn't want that one and we want to come over here. This time I'm pushing the click and I'm holding it and I'm just dragging it across, and that way I can put it exactly where I want it. This is useful if you have more than one frame or you want it in a specific place. So now you see it's in this frame, but he's kind of off to the side, and I don't like that. So you can double click on the image, and this puts it in kind of an edit mode. And then you can move him over. And I don't like that he's down at the bottom, so what I can do is also make him bigger. And then I'll move him again right there and kind of center it just a little bit. Click off of it, and you can see how it has updated, centered, and enlarged to fill the space. Okay, so I'm going to add a new page now and show you how those grids worked. I do like the grids. So I'm going to go down to grid, which is, again, another frame, but it's multiple frames on the same picture. So there's all kinds of different ones. You can just kind of pick and choose and find one that you like. I am going to choose this one, and I will be able to insert 3 different pictures. That is also why it's a good idea to drag and put it exactly where you want it, because it could pop into another one and kick a picture out, and you don't want it to do that. So let's go this time. I am going to go to my uploads, and I'm going to go to my Facebook account and get some family photos from Easter. So this is from Easter this year. And again, our heads are cut off, so I'm going to double click on that, and I'm just going to, there we go, pull it down just a little bit, click off, and there we go. Then I'm going to add a picture of my son and I. Again, he's too tall, so I'm just going to come down just a little bit. And then this is a picture of my girls and I, and we're kind of crowded in there, but that's okay. I'm going to move it down. And there we go. So now I've made a picture collage. Now, if I did not want that, I could go up here and just change that and make it a block of color. And then I could put words on it or whatever. It doesn't have to be an image. It could be part of the design, but it is a frame and it just does that section. So that is how you can add images into a frame or a grid on Canva to have more creative freedom. If you liked this tip, please like and subscribe below, and I will see you on the next one. Adios.